class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we were doing exercise 7.5, in which we were discussing common multiples and the least common multiples. So we were discussing that. Okay, so in the last session we have done up to question number A part of question number 4. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the B part of question number 4. So first of all, let's write in the topic, that is chapter 7, factors and multiples, exercise 7.5. Clear? Check. So let's begin with the question A, B part of question number 4. List the first 3 common multiples of. So we have to find first 3 common multiples of part B, that is 2 and 4. So just like the previous question, the A part, okay, so we have to find first 3 common multiples of 2 and 4. 2 and 4 common multiples we have to find out. But okay, before finding the common multiples, we have to find the multiples as well. Okay, so let's begin with the multiples. So multiples of 2, multiples of 2. What are the multiples of 2? That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. So these all are the multiples of 2. Next, multiples of 4. What are the multiples of 4, or how you can calculate the multiples of 4? So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. So these are the multiples of 2 and 4. So we have listed now down. So we have here we have done so we have written, we have listed all the some multiples of 2 and 4. Now the next is we have to find the common multiples. Let's find the common multiples. So the common multiples, so the multiples, the numbers which are the multiples of 2 as well as multiples of 4, they are common multiples. So that is देखिए 4. Okay, no, so sorry, the question में क्या लिखा है बेटा? Then the question it is written, we have to list the first 3 common multiples, not common multiples. We have to list the first 3 common multiples. So write down first 3 common multiples, first 3 common multiples of 2 and 4 are, that is 4, then 8 and then 12. Full stop. So the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 4 are 4, 8 and 12. So these are the first 3 common multiples. Because 4, 8 and 12, so they are the multiples of 4. They are the multiples of 2 as well. So that's why they are the common multiples, and they, in the question it is being asked that we have to mention the first three common multiples. So these are the first three common multiples, that is 4, 8 and 12. Clear? So this is the solution, the B part, question number 4. You can pause it here and note it down in your notes. Moving next to the C part of the same question number 4. So let's move to the C part of question number 4. Question 4, C part. The number is 2 and 5. The number is 2 and 5. So for again similarly we will find the multiples of 2, then multiples of 5. Okay, so let's find out multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 are or we can show it with the help of an arrow. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Sorry, that is 2, 4, 6. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 20 के बाद the next is 22, then 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 and so on. Okay, so these are the multiples of 2. Next, multiples of 5. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. So these are the multiples of 2 and 5. Let's find out. First, we have to find first 3 common multiples of 2 and 5. So we have to find it. देखिए कौन से होंगे? First 3 common multiples of 2 and 5 are, so what will be the number? That is 5, 5 is not there, 10, 10 is here, 10 is here. So that is 10. Next 15, no, 20 is here, 20 is also here. Next is 20. Next 25, no, 30 is here, 30 is also here, that is 30. So the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 5 are 10, 20 and 30. So these are the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 5. Done? So this is the solution of question number C, so part C of question number 4. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Moving next to the next part of question number 4, that is the D part. Now we are moving to the D part of question number 4. So question number 4, that is D part. Again we have to find the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. That is of 6 and 8. So let's find out the multiples of 6 first. multiples of 6. So the multiples of 6 are simply 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, next 48, okay, then it's 54, it is 54, 60, 66, 74, then it's 80, 86, and 92 and so on. So these all are the multiples of 6. Okay. Next, these are the sum multiples of 6. Next, multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. So now we will find out the multiples of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. The common multiples are. Okay, so is there any common multiple? That is 24 and 24. Then any other? 40 is not here. 48. Yes, 48 is here. 54, 60, 66. Okay, 80 is here. And for after this, जब आपके पास 3 common multiples आए, you can put dash dash dash. So these are the multiples of 6 and 8. Now we have to find out the first 3 common multiples. Write down first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. 6 and 8. First 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 are, that is 24, after this 48, the next is 80. So the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48 and 80. So these are the common multiples of 6 and first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. Okay, so you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, just write it down in your notebook. Okay, now next question number 5. So let's begin with the next question, that is question number 5. The next is question number 5. The question is, find the common multiples and hence the least common multiple. So that means we have to find the common multiples and least common multiples of the following. Okay, देखिए similarly just जो हमारा पिछला सम था उसमें हमने फाइंड आउट किए थे common multiples. In this we have to find the common multiples as well as the least common multiples as well. So देखिए least common multiple के लिए first of all we will calculate the multiples. So we will find out the multiples, then we will pick out the common multiples, and after that we can find least common multiples only. Clear? Question देखिए, find the common multiples, first of all common multiples, and hence the least common multiple, then least common multiple, and then of the following given numbers. So the first is, the A part is 2 and 3. So we have to find the common multiple and the least common multiple of 2 and 3. Okay, so let's find out the multiples of 2. Okay, multiples of 2. So the multiples of 2 are, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20, and then so on. So these are the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So these are the multiples of 4. Next, multiples of 2. Next, multiples of 3. Now we have to find the multiples of 3. So let's find out. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and so on. Okay, so these are the multiples of 2 and 3. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Whereas the multiples of 3 are 3, 9, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. Now we have to list out the common multiples and the least common multiples. So the common multiples. First of all, we will find the common multiples. So the common multiples of 2 and 3 are, so common, that is 6, then 9, 12, next 50, 18, next no. So that is so on. So these are the common multiples of 2 and 3. So these are some common multiples, not all, some common multiples of 2 and 3. Now we have to list down, we have to find the least common multiple. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Okay, so question was find the common multiples and hence the least common multiple of the following. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is, which is the least common multiples? So all the common multiples, among the all common multiples, which is the smallest number? The common multiples 6, 12, 18 and there will be so on. But we have to find the least. So that means least will be this one only. Okay. So the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. That is 6. So the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, so this is the solution of the A part of question number 5. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Next is the B part. We have to find the multiple, then common multiples and of B part, that is 5 and fifth B part, that is 5 and 10. Okay, so चलो ये वाला क्वेश्चन मैं आपको होमवर्क देती हूँ. So I am giving you the two questions, that is the B part of question number 5 and the C part of question number 5 as your homework. So just do it by yourself, okay? And the next session I'll explain the topic as well. Okay, so don't get confused कि मैम ये नहीं हुआ है. So I'll explain in the next session, but make sure that you try it by yourself, the B and the C part. Okay? Okay, I'm writing here, do B and C part of sum number 5 of exercise 7.2. Clear? Sorry, not 7.2. This is exercise 7.5. This is exercise 7. This is your homework. Okay, chalo. So this is from my today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.